Hey guys, ganito my here. It's another new day and another new video. And today guys, we will do a unboxing which I got a package from Lazada. So without further ado, let's go. So basically, this package, I usually love working on my bikes. So I tried to invest with the new tools. So let's see what it is. So basically, it is a torque wrench. So before guys, I'm using just a regular Allen keys over here. Today, I invested a torque wrench so I can be able to service all my bikes and also my friends' bikes. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh wow! So as you can see, here's the box, no? And oh my goodness. No? Well, nice one. Well packaged. So there's all your what do you call this? Screwdriver and the Allen keys over here. Allen. And there you go guys. Here's the item itself over here, as you can see. There you go. Here's the torque wrench. So I think the brand is Hank. So you can see, it can do 5 to 25 newton meters of torque. No, here's the handle. Very nice. I think you can adjust the torque here, by twisting it. And there you go. So here's some of the, I think, the Allens and the screwdriver included over the box. Okay, so if you're into repairing your bikes, I think it's a good choice that you invest with a good tools for your bikes. I'll show you. So we have a screwdriver here. Yep. And then we're gonna put it over here and then snap into place. And you can adjust the torque by twisting it, as you can see. Very nice product. Okay, so there you go. Oh my goodness, nice. I can't wait to use this product on my bikes. So again, there you have it. Just simply snap it off. Snap in. What a good. So there you have it. Hank torque wrench. Yes sir.